Imagine discovering a secret so powerful, it can whiten your skin, smooth out wrinkles, and erase pigmentation. All with just a simple tweak in temperature. Yes, you heard that right. 10 degrees. Today, we're diving into this fascinating Japanese beauty ritual that's turning heads worldwide. Curious? Let's unlock this ancient secret together. Japan, a land where tradition meets innovation, has long been a beacon of beauty wisdom. Picture this. Ancient Japanese women, their skin glowing like porcelain, knew something that modern science is just beginning to understand. They harnessed the power of hyasu, a cold therapy that's been passed down through generations. Just like the calm, clear waters of a mountain spring, this 10-degree technique works to purify and rejuvenate your skin. But how? Let's peel back the layers and see how you can bring this ancient ritual into your daily routine. So, what can this 10-degree magic do for you? Here's a quick list of 5 transformative benefits that you can start enjoying today. 1. Tightens pores. Imagine your skin as a delicate fabric, and now, see those pores shrinking, like stitches pulled tight, creating a smoother, more refined appearance. 2. Reduces inflammation. Think of the cool touch of a mountain breeze, soothing irritated skin and calming redness, especially for those struggling with acne or rosacea. 3. Boosts circulation. It's like giving your skin a gentle wake-up call. Improved blood flow brings a rush of nutrients and oxygen, leading to a radiant, healthy glow. 4. Fades pigmentation. Visualize dark spots as shadows that gradually fade away, leaving your skin even-toned and luminous. 5. Diminishes wrinkles. Finally, imagine fine lines melting away as collagen production kicks into high gear, thanks to this simple cold therapy. Ready to try this at home? Let's break it down. But wait, stick around until the end, because I'm going to share an unexpected bonus that will supercharge your results. 1. Fill a bowl with ice and cold water, ensuring the temperature is precisely 10 degrees Celsius. Use a thermometer for accuracy. This is the sweet spot. 2. Soak a clean cloth in the ice water for a few seconds. Feel that refreshing chill? 3. Gently wring out the excess water and press the cloth onto your face. Hold for 30 seconds. Now, here's a question. Can you feel your skin tightening already? 4. Remove the cloth, let your skin breathe for a few seconds, and repeat this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Consistency is key. Now, here's the bonus I promised. To take your results to the next level, pair this cold therapy with some of Japan's best-kept skincare secrets. Rice bran oil, rich in antioxidants and vitamins, this oil nourishes your skin, making it softer and more radiant. It's like feeding your skin a superfood diet. Green tea extract, with its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, it calms and protects your skin, much like a shield against the harsh elements. Sake-infused serums. Imagine the deep hydration these serums provide, promoting a youthful glow that seems to defy time. Many have already witnessed amazing transformations with this method. But what about you? Are you ready to experience the magic of 10 degrees? Try it for yourself and share your results in the comments below. Have a question or a story to share? We'd love to hear it. Remember, consistency is your best friend here. Incorporate this cold therapy into your daily routine, and don't forget to follow up with a rich moisturizer to lock in that hydration. If you enjoyed this video, why not give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who need to know this secret? And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more incredible beauty tips and secrets. Until next time, stay beautiful and take care.